The Aqua Collection by Vupre offers a solution for fine lines and rough texture by reclaiming moisture and maintaining healthy hydration levels in your skin. That's because the formulas in this collection integrate organic ingredients like seaweed and avocado, along with sodium hyaluronate to quench dry, thinning skin. After cleansing your face at night, begin with the Derma Roller. Gently glide the roller over your cheeks and forehead to create small pathways for ingredients to effectively absorb into your skin. Next comes the Aqua Melting Mask. Using the brush provided, remove a generous amount and apply it evenly to your entire face. As you massage it into your skin, you will notice water droplets begin to form, infusing your skin with hyaluronic acid and peptides to restore a youthful perk. The following morning, apply the Aqua Hydration Serum on clean skin. 2 to 3 drops is all you need. Lightly press onto your face until fully absorbed. This serum is formulated with collagen and sodium hyaluronate to restore suppleness to lackluster skin. Lastly, we can apply the Aqua Nano Cream, created to fortify your skin's barrier and seal in moisture with ingredients like seaweed and avocado. Remove a dab and massage evenly onto your skin for a voluminous and plump appearance. You're all set.